Hey guys, it's me Bella. Today I'm going to do a video about glossy slime. Leah Slime commented that I can make glossy slime, so here she is. She commented me, so I'm going to make one. So I'm going to show you all the stuff you need to make glossy slime. For me, I use another thing not to use clear glue. I use like a baby oil, so let's go. So the first thing you need is ATM glue. It's optional. You can use any glue you want, any white glue, but I use ATM glue. The next thing is some water. It's optional. And water with bubble, and I just have the bubble right now. Lotion, baby oil, actuator, borax, and water. Containers, you can put glue and something to stir. I like using water. So first thing first, you open your container. You open the glue and pour in a little bit, just a little bit. So I already poured just a little bit of glue, just a bit, yeah. So I don't want to make a lot. So the next thing I want to add is some lotion, which is optional too. But my lotion is pretty clear. No, not clear. It's pretty like glossy. I'm gonna add a lot. And it just makes my slime softer and softer and stretchier too. And the next thing I'm going to add is my bubble, which is optional too. I'm gonna add like a lot of bubble. Then make sure you stir it nicely. I don't know why bubble give my slime glossy, because most time I use bubble just to make my slime glossy. Close the lid. Next thing I'm gonna add is some water just to make the slime really thick. I'm gonna add a bit of water. The more water you add, the more glossy it is, because water is like kind of shiny, and also it just makes your slime really thick. So I'm just stir them in. Make sure you stir it really, really well. Then the next thing I'm gonna add is this baby oil, just to make it a little bit glossy. Then let's stir it in, just to make my slime glossier and glossier. So there's bubbles, so I didn't stir it nicely. Yeah. So now I stirred it already. I'm not gonna add any color, just go in with my activator. Just open the activator carefully. Add activator. So you want to add slowly out of time. You don't want to add too much, so the slime might freeze to the death. So I'm gonna stir it really nicely. So I'm gonna see you guys when my slime is done. Guys, here's my glossy slime. I already add an activator to it, so let's open it up. Little air. So it's so glossy, you guys. Let's take this out. Wow, it's more glossy than I thought. So in the camera, you cannot see it that glossy, but out of the camera, this is so glossy. So, wow. It's like just like milky slime. Except it's so glossy, the milky slime. It's like a swirl. But it's not that bubbly at all, even I add a lot of bubble. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below what video you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. And bye guys, hope you enjoyed.